This is a guided walkthrough for the Victoria level on the Venus CTF lab from HackMyVM.eu. So the first thing we want to do is we want to log in using SSH. And we're going to log in using a password. So what we need to do is we need to keep track of the passwords that we're collecting when we finish these levels, because each level is going to contain the password for the next level as the goal. And we see over here that that there are 3 files in here. So there's a flag. So if you're collecting flags, you definitely want to access that flag and submit it. But what we're more interested in is finishing the level and getting to the next one. So you can do that by accessing the mission.txt file. So mission 9, which is this level, it says the user Isla has left her password in a zip file. So we also have this this zip file over here. It's called passwords.zip. So obviously what we need to do to get to the next level is to read the contents of the zip file. So first of all, one thing we have to understand about this game is that we can't write to any of our home directories. We can only write in the temporary directory. So we can only write to the temporary directory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a directory in the temporary directory. So I'm going to make directory in the temp directory. We're going to call it triple dot the shy hat. Cannot create directory. Oh, they haven't. Okay, so it looks like they haven't done cleanup in a while. So we're going to make a directory. We're going to call it, in the temp directory, we're going to call it HackerFrogs. Okay, so we made that directory. What we need to do is we need to copy this zip file to that directory. So we're going to copy password.zip to temp slash dot 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 HackerFrog slash password.zip. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's enter this directory. So it's going to be cd and then move to this directory here. So we see the password.zip file in here. We're going to give this command to unzip the file. So it's just unzip and then the name of the file, which is password.zip. So give the command. You're going to see that that one file is extracted here. So it's just called password.txt. So all we need to do is move into the directory that was created here, which is called pwned, and then move into the Victoria directory, okay? And then there's this password called password.txt. So read it, so this is cat password.txt, and this is the password for the next level. Okay, all right, so copy the password, and this is, so remember that the next user, the next level is going to be the Isla level that's spelled like this. So to finish off the challenge, let's just do a little after action report. Let me get out of here. And we're going to go over to our GitHub. So in the GitHub, this is going to be the, let's see, so the target user that, that we need to target to get to the next level is the Isla user. And the method of solve in this case is copy the zip file to the temp directory, then unzip the file and read the extracted txt file. Okay, and the key command in this case was this one right here. So in order to unzip the file, we just need to give this command right here. It's not super complicated, but if you don't know, now you know. All right, so this was a guided walkthrough for the Victoria level from the Venus CTF labs on hackmyvm.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment below. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.